Hello, Erica. I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz. I know you and I have talked on the phone quite a few times over the past few months. In your new 4x4 Iridium Silver Metallic crew van has finally come in. When I told you I'd get a nice video done for you and point out some really nice things. So we put the LED lighting in here for you, nice and bright at nighttime. It's just a really nice headlight setup. We got the fog lights in here for you. And the front bumper is painted so it's not that big plastic black bumper that they would normally come with. It's got the safety sensors in the front bumper. Got the nice chrome grille. Also, this is where one of your cameras are, right here, right underneath of the star. We'll come around here to the passenger side. And Eric, I apologize. Your van just came off the truck. It's not perfectly clean right at the moment, but we are going to get that taken care of. Just wanted to get a video done for you. Now, it's got the Mercedes-Benz aluminum wheels as well. And also the electric sliding door. So you just simply pull the handle. Also, on the key fob, which I have in the vehicle, we'll open and close this door as well. Also, there's a switch right here, too. You can push this switch to open and close the electric sliding door. It's got the black leatherette seating, and it does have the comfort package, so the seats do recline. And I know that you're working on getting an additional seat put in for you and your family. And there's lots and lots of space behind that seat as well. It's got the anti-slip flooring, which is really nice, easy to clean. And then we'll close that electric door. So we're just going to push that switch right there. Closes nice and easy. And also when we get in the cab of the van, I'm going to show you where the other switch is too for the electric door. So Erica, we put the trailer hitch on here. You can tow up to a 5,000-pound trailer behind this Sprinter van too, which is really nice. We got the rear windows back here with the wiper blades. Also has rear window defroster, so in the wintertime the window will defrost nice and easy. And then the doors do open up 270 degrees. They do latch in place right here at 90 degrees. And then they open all the way up, which is very nice. The way the hinge is designed, it will latch the door in place, so if the wind's blowing or you're parked on an incline, it won't just close on you. And in the back here, you've got paneling right here that's waist high to protect the walls, which is really nice as well. We're gonna get these doors closed up, and then we're gonna hop right in the cab of the van, and I'm gonna go over some features in there with you. All right, Erica, so we're sitting here in the cab of your brand new 4x4 Sprinter crew van. I'm gonna go over some nice features in here for you. I'm gonna start out right up here in the dash. So we've got your wireless charging pad, and also this plug-in right here, you can do Apple CarPlay, so you can get all your apps up here on the display screen. And then you have two more USB-C ports right there for charging. There's also a 12-volt charger right there as well, which is really nice. Then we're going to come down to the MBUX system. The first thing I want to do is show you that backup camera. So here's your 360-degree view. We do have the passenger side door open right now, so you can see where that's kind of blacked out right there. Your nice backup camera, when you turn the wheel, it'll follow the yellow lines. And then with your trailer hitch, if you're going to hook up a trailer, if you have a camper or something like that to tow, you can line your drawbar up nice and simply. And a nice wide angle rear view. Nice front view camera. And then a wide angle front view camera. And then we got your navigation system right here. You can shrink the screen down just like on your cell phone, or enlarge it. And then we have your Sirius XM satellite radio, FM and AM. This is all voice controlled too, so when you and your husband come up to take delivery of the Sprinter van, I'll go over all of these features with you again as well. We got a media center here where we can connect other devices. An info center, you can check your fuel economy. It says 10.7 miles per gallon, but there's really no miles on the van yet. I think it's got about 10 miles on it right now. And there's an app store. There's a vehicle settings, and like I said, I'll go over all these features with you when you and your husband come up. It's got all the safety features. And then also right here on your steering wheel, there's a mouse pad right here. You can control the MBUX system. There's a volume button right here to control your radio. You can answer your phone and hang your phone up here on the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, it controls different various things in your instrument panel. Also, you got the electric seats, and you got your heated seat switches down here on the door, heated electric mirrors. And then that switch that I was telling you for your sliding door, you have your switch right here. So that you push that, it will open your sliding door from the inside. And then you just push it one more time, and it closes it. Very, very convenient and very simple to use. So Eric, I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please feel free to give me a call. Like I said, my name's Roger. My cell phone number is 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.